in this question, we need to make x the subject of the formula. So we're going to look at the variables that are closer to x. What does I do to x? I is the divisor, right? I is the divisor, and this bracket is the multiplier. So to remove them, it's easy. The I is dividing on the right, it must multiply on the left. So on the left you had a v, you're going to multiply it by I. And then the bracket is the multiplier, so it must be the divisor on the left. And then that gives you x. So ladies and gentlemen, when you make the subject of the formula, you must know that you are always going to be using inverse operation. If it's adding on the left, it must subtract on the right. If it's going to multiply on the left, it must divide on the right. If it's going to, and vice versa, right? If it was subtracting on the left, it must add on the right, and so on and so on. And then what is the opposite of a square? The opposite of the square, you square root it. Ne? Opposite of a cube, you cube root it. Right. And then let's say you want to solve an equation that has, let's say I have a equals to n to the power x, and I need to solve for x. I can log it. Ne? We're going to say x, which is the exponent equals to the logarithm of base n index a. So your previous answer becomes the index, your exponent is the answer, and then the base still stays the base. And if you found this question helpful, please don't forget to share with family and friends and to subscribe. Thank you very much.